Let's take a look at the impression-taking process using Rei tray. At first, silicone adhesive is coated on the inner surface of the upper plate of the Rei tray. The upper 6 anterior teeth are attached to the connection part of the upper plate. Putty is mixed and applied to the inner surface. Checking the midline, lip support, and anterior exposure incisor display with the 6 anterior teeth, the upper plate is positioned. At this time, the patient also confirms along with the doctor while looking in the mirror. The 6 anterior teeth show only the approximate anterior position. The size and shape of the final teeth vary by patient, so only this approximate position is confirmed with the patient. After the putty impression is completed, a wash impression is taken using light or regular body silicone material. First, silicone adhesive is coated on the inner surface. Apply the putty. Unlike the maxilla, it is not applied too carefully to the mandible. Excess putty is inserted lingually using fingers. This is to enhance the stability of the lower plate. A wash impression is taken using light or regular body silicone material. Trim the guide pin fixation part for taking the vertical dimension and centric relation. The guide pin is attached. At this time, an arbitrary vertical dimension can be determined first to check if it is possible in the oral cavity. While slowly inducing the patient to centric relation, the vertical dimension is determined by evaluating facial features. The vertical dimension can be changed by adjusting the guide pin. If it is difficult to guide the patient to centric relation, you can record the patient's centric relation through the following process. The lower surface of the upper plate is colored with articulating paper or rouge. After removing the 6 anterior teeth, the upper and lower Rei trays are positioned for frontal and lateral tracing. A round burr is used to groove the tip ends of the arrow in the tracing. This is to enable the tip of guide pin to engage. The upper and lower plates are aligned, then final fixation is done by injecting bite silicone on both sides.